Student, let's try to understand one more problem. Okay, what is the problem, student? That is 2 gram of benzoic acid C6H5COOH dissolved in 25 gram of benzene shows a depression in freezing point equal to 1.62 Kelvin. So here what are given, student? W2 given. How much? 2 gram, right? Now M2 we have to calculate, student. What is that? Is C6H5 COOH is there. So carbon is there, student. 6 carbon means 72 because 1 carbon atomic mass is 12. So 12 6 is 72 plus 5 hydrogen is going to be 5 plus again 1 carbon is 12 plus 2 oxygen means 32 plus 1 hydrogen. If you solve it out, student, it is coming 122 gram per mole. So two things we got, student. It is dissolving in 25 gram of benzene. So what will be W1, student? It is 25 gram. Now see, student, delta TF they are saying depression in freezing point 1.62. This is 1.62 Kelvin. Molar depression constant for the benzene is 4.9 K. So Kf is equal to, it is 4.9 K Kelvin kg per mole. What is the percentage ionization, percentage association of acid? It form the dimer. So since it is forming dimer, so it is going to be N is equal to 2. So it's very simple, student. How can you, firstly let us try to write down the formula. If you are writing the formula, how can you be able to write, student? So you got to know delta TF is equal to, it is I into Kf into molality M. So let us try to elaborate this little bit, student. Delta TF is equal to I into Kf into molarity. What is there, student? W2 into 1000 divided by what is, student? M2 into W1. Now we need to plug in the value, student. Okay, all the value let us plug out here. So delta TF value already we are having. How much we are having delta TF value? Let us put out, student. So delta 1.62. So here I am placing, student, 1.62. Here 1.62. I we need to find out, student, into Kf value they have given, student, 4.9. W2 here is, it is given, student, 2 gram. Then what are we are having? 1000, student. Here we are writing 1000 divided by M2. What is molar mass, student? 122. W1, student, where is the W1? You can see 25 gram. This is. Now let us cross multiply, student. Here nothing is there, so 1. So how can you do, student? You can cross multiply this and this. So if you cross multiply, so I will come like that, student. 1.62 into 122 into 25. It is divided by how much, student? That is 49 into 2 into 1000. So how much it is coming, student? If you are solving, it is coming 0.5041. This is the I value. Now, degree of association, DOD, degree of association, alpha is equal to, for association I minus 1 divided by 1 by n minus 1. That we have learned already, this one. So I value already we got to know now, student. I value 0.5041 minus 1, and here is 1 by alpha n value. Since it is dimer, so n value is 2 minus 1. So let us try to solve out, student, how much is coming. If you are solving, alpha is equal to, we are going. So what is going to be in the numerator? It is coming 0.4959, student, divided by 0.5 minus 1, so 0.5. So both terms you can see, student, the here is the also going to be negative 1. This is also negative. So negative negative cancel out. So alpha is equal to, if you divide this, student, so it is coming how much? 0.9918. This is there. Now if you are talking about percentage alpha means alpha into 100. So alpha value already you got, na, student. So 0.9918 multiplied by 100. So alpha is equal to how many percent it is coming, student? 99.18%. This is our required answer. So degree of association is 99.18 or approximately you can write 99.2% student. So this is our required answer. So this is, thank you so much for watching student. Okay, this is correct one.